quick review of unit number 3. Unit number 3, balanced diet. We will discuss about carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and iron, and minerals and vitamins. Carbohydrate is the main source of energy. About half of animals eat carbohydrates in a day. In a day, the major sources of carbohydrates is glucose, eggs, rice, bread, whole wheat, and fruits. And food deficiency of carbohydrates may cause infections and may cause infection, slow growth may cause infection, slow growth, and fatigue and weakness. Lipids are of two types. Fats and oils. Lipids at room temperature are called fats, and liquid lipids are called oils. Major sources of lipids are fish, beans, nuts, eggs, seeds, etc. Deficiency of protein may cause infection, slow growth and skin and hair problems, etc. Protein is composed of amino acids. Major sources of protein are chicken, beans, nuts, eggs, bread, etc. The deficiency of protein may cause embarrassment, fatty liver, kavashik core, slow growth, and etc. Minerals